Hey guys, what's going on? So, I am currently visiting my grandma, and she happens to have chickens. Yeah. So, today I'm gonna show you. That's our rooster, Duke. That's Goldie. She's nice. Then over here, I don't know that guy's name, but I call him Nugster. And I don't know this guy's name either. So yeah, this is their food. And pretty nice place. There's another bird over here, I think. Yep. I don't know her name either. I don't think she likes me. So yeah. Just gonna step back. I love my grandma's chickens. I'm so happy that she has them. There's also some feathers on the ground. Quite a few. Hello. Goldie, say hi to my viewers. Dukester. Right now, my favorites are Nugster and Goldie, because we don't have a lot of chickens right now. So yeah. This one is scared of me, I think. This one, I don't know about them. Hello. Then Duke. Yeah. He's just the rooster guy. Let's see if I can catch him crowing on video. Oh, that was quick. Thanks, Duke. Then Nugster. I really like his colors. Like that red and black look really nice. Goldie's like yellow and white or something. That's why she's called Goldie, I think. And so yeah, pretty much my grandma's chickens. Goldie seems very calm. And Duke, well, he's Duke. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And see ya.